Let's go to the sports meet! Quacky, why are you flying? I just... My ice cream! Put your seatbelt on, or you'll fall forward if the bus stops suddenly. Okay. Please put the seatbelt on me. I won't fall now.
The pushcart contest is starting soon. Let's hurry and practice.
Pushcart! Pushcart! Cute! Quacky is here! Pushcart! Let's go for first place! Here? The cart? I got it! Ready! Little bear, why didn't you follow the push cart? How do you stop the bear from falling off the cart? Put some stones in the bear's pocket. Put a seatbelt on the bear. Please select one. Fill it with stones. Let's make a special seatbelt for the bear. Ready! Go! The bear and the pushcart moved forward together. And they stopped together. We did it!
Quack, 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 quack.
Let's go to the contest.
Welcome to the pushcart contest. Who will be the first to get the bear to the finish line? 3, 2, 1, go!
Slide to help me move.
Quacky is wacky, has passed Rocky. Quacky has also passed Buffy. Buffy has picked up speed and passed Quacky again. The race is now halfway through, and it's time for the obstacle. Nice! Quacky is hot on his heels. Oh no! False alarm! The bear is perfectly safe.
Slide up to avoid the barrier. Super Duck, give me strength. Let's go.
Where's Rocky? Uh-oh. The cart has hit a barrier and stopped, but the bear is still moving forward due to inertia.
Help me pick up the bear. Help me avoid the barrier.
Come on, Rocky!
Help me pick up the bear.
fallen down. Quacky has passed Buffy and is closing in on the finish line. What? Quacky has just released the cart.
Buffy, are you alright? My leg. Let me help you out.
The friendship between them is so touching. Look at that. Although Quacky has released the cart, it still continues to move forward because of inertia. Congratulations to Quacky, the winner! Second place goes to Rocky.
Yeah, I can finally go to the bathroom.
The exciting awards ceremony is about to begin. First place, Quacky.